Well, hi guys, here we are again with the Fendt fix2. I mean, I've been wiring some stuff. I decided I wanted to make another wiring loom for this. It was much safer and simpler to make a whole new one than salvage the old one. So this is for the headlights. I've rewired the voltage regulator and the alternator. They were wired all wrong. So the positive and the negative were wrongly connected. So that must be a lot better now. So I did this tubing. It was with the tractor. It was on the other wiring loom. I taped it and then I turned it around again. I think it's a very nice extra protecting layer for it. And first there was this positive to the dash that was connected to this on the battery. Originally it belonged there, and that's also the one that belongs there for the alternator. So the other one is for the alternator. This is the one for the starter solenoid, and of course from the battery this one is going on there also, but I want to make some heat shrink on that. It seems loose like it is now, but I can assure you it's very sturdy. So I'm going to leave this like that, and I'm going to make some heat shrink on it. And well, here goes the rest of the wiring loom and the cables to the horn. There's also a wire to the other side for the oil pressure switch, and it's all coming together here, and there it's coming out. So there's the wire for the battery. This one is for the starter solenoid. These cables are for the lighting and the horn. This one are the negative leads that go to the chassis, and the one is for the oil light, and the other one is for the battery charge light. So as you can see, I've gotten all the wires off. I wanted to start freshly for this, so the client gets freshly wired and safe tractor back. And also I've got, you can see, the switch for the indicator lights that has to has to be wired, so the lights are going on the indicators, and the brake lights are going to be on the same lamps. So that's gonna be a nice one too. And here I've got the wiring loom to the back, and that's gonna be also a very nice job. There's going to be a new trailer socket for this. I think the battery is almost empty of the phone, so I'm gonna stop filming now. This was a short update for the Fendt. I will see you later.